We've developed a full reporting system that kind of basically goes through every aspect of the home. So we usually start outside, jump on the roof. I like to report as I go. Once I'm done the inspection, I'm able to give that client the report within a couple hours once I upload it. After I do the outside, I usually jump inside, do all the finishes, everything like that. Then I jump to mechanical, kind of the big main most important parts of the house. I spend a lot more time on that stuff, basically because if we find issues, I want to be able to have enough time to report on those and give the proper recommendations so everybody knows exactly what they're doing and how to properly educate them. When I'm doing an inspection, my background is construction, so I have a whole bunch of sub-trades on the phone. I always make a phone call to whether it's a plumber or an electrician, an HVAC technician that's a journeyman as well. So we're trying to bring everything into one umbrella. So then if we need to bring somebody in to either look at something or fix something, we have the potential to do that.